Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give.
Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with my first wig once again, same packaging as usual. So I'm seeing the bag with the wig, which we're gonna get into, and then of course I got some goodies. So I got my Myfirstwig elastic headband, which is great for your edges, for melting down that lace if you need, like if you know you apply adhesive and stuff. And then I got this little goodie bag, which I always get, with these little 2-section clips. And I also received one of these rat tail combs, which is also always so good to get. This is the bag with the wig. Let's get into it. So I got a little invoice just describing what we got for the wig on the inside. I got a pair of wig caps. I always love getting these dark brown wig caps. You know, they really match my skin tone better. Alright, we are working with, oh my gosh, a flawless bob. I'm so excited for this already, guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get into that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna jump into. So this is a wavy bob, guys. This is a silky texture, by the way, like a silky body wave texture. And this is a 14-inch bob. Alright, it's a natural hair color, as you can see, and it's a medium cap construction. This is a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's 160% in density. This is a really nice deep parting. So you know, with these kind of wigs, sometimes they come with more the mid portion, where you get the full 13x6. On the sides, it's giving more like 13x2. And I hope that over time they will improve it to just make the entire front of the wig be 13x6. But it still works. It still get the job done. The look still look good because you can get a nice deep part or a nice deep bust down center part. Okay, and they gave it to me with a nice center part. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling sorry that I don't put it down, because I know how good this is gonna look. This is gonna look so flawless, guys. Again, I'm giving you guys all the bobs because we know, you know, it's summertime. You know, it's summertime now. It's hot outside. A nice cute bob gets the work done. You feel comfortable in it because it don't make it too hot, and it still looks cute. So what more could you ask for, right? So apart from the lace, like the inside of the cap looks like this. It has 3 combs, and then it has like a extra band on the inside, so you could definitely wear this wig glueless. And that's how I love to rock these wigs, because it's just more convenient. It's easy to throw on and go. And you know, for a lot of females, they want something that's convenient. So I got your back, like really and truly. We're gonna get into that. And then there are adjustable straps in the back of the cap. And usually with this piece of lace, I cut it off. It's really not needed. So yeah, that's what we're working with, and it come pre-styled basically, because the waves are laying in the direction that you would curl your hair already. So that is just a plus. Very, very beginner friendly. So now that I show you guys all of that, let me go ahead and slip this on. Okay, that's looking really nice and snugged. I'm always excited for these kind of wigs that are like freestyle and stuff. I love catering to my beginners. I don't know if you guys realize, but if you've been keeping up, you see that a lot of the wigs I'm showing you guys are perfect for beginners, and this is definitely one of them. Definitely, the cap is so nicely snugged to my head. You know, these curls, they aren't going nowhere. You know that sometimes you run your finger through the curls and you're like, after a while it just falls. You can tell that this is gonna last. And it's just giving boss, babe. It's giving like corporate. It's giving business. You know, love that. Love that. So I'm gonna cut out the excess on the side, because guess what? We're not gonna be doing any glue. As I said, this is gonna be a nice little glueless install. So I'm gonna embrace that. Now, before I even go into tacking down the sides here, because you know that's how I do when I do these glueless install, where it's the full-on 13x4 or 6 lace fronts. I'm just getting out the extra, like, because you know I cut from the side here, so you know you're gonna have some shedding when you do that. So those are just the strands I'm not moving. But you guys know this is how I do whenever I have a 13x4 or 13x6 lace front wig. I literally just go ahead and remove, well, attach the sides here with a little bit of got to be, just to know that, you know, it's not going to be lifting and flabbing off your hairline. That wouldn't be cute, you know. So
baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel.
So usually that's how I do. I like take a little bit from the side here. You can make it as small as you want. You don't have to do like a big sideburn or whatever, but like that's how I usually do. And I'll get my got to be and I'll spray that down on cool air. Now you can see that there's a little bit of cast, so usually I fix that with some powder, and you'll see that in a few, because that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
I won't let no one come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do what you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you anyway.
So before I go ahead and comb the hair down, so I'm done with, you know, applying the adhesive to the sides here. So what I need to do now is make the lace hair blend a little bit more, because it's cast. My face powder, and I'm literally just gonna tap that into the areas where I'm getting a cast and mute that whole vibe down.
I want to share my world, don't you understand? Your love is so mine.
Okay, so this is how we're looking. Looking good, right? All I did was really and truly put my elastic band around the perimeter of the wig, and that's it. It's still glueless. Okay. I feel like doing that, I don't know, kind of pressed it in without it having anything else than the powder. So it really did work. It definitely worked. You know, so all of that muted down that casty look. I'm so excited. That's actually a hack. So you could definitely still go ahead and use your elastic band, even though you don't spray the hairline with any adhesive or you know, anything of the sort. I guess it will still help, because that's what I'm seeing. It definitely had the appearance of that casty vibe. So like, I definitely don't need to recurl. This is beautiful. I love the little like carefree, effortless, like body wave kind of vibe. Could just give it a zhuzh to kind of help with that voluminous like appearance. All I need to do, well, it's all up to you. It's honestly preference. Just go in and you know, it's a hot comb to let it lay flat, and I'm always gonna do that, but you don't have to. It's not a must, because this still looks so natural. It doesn't look bulky. It's just that I want to get it nice, like flatter. That's all. I'm just being a little picky right now. I really am. You really don't have to if you don't want to.
It goes on and on and on. You get
minimal work, straight out of the packaging. Gorgeous, gorgeous, effortless bob. Look at those curls, those waves. Like, are you being for real? Yeah, I am. And I'm always so excited to give you guys all the convenient wig looks. Like, convenience, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Let me know if this was helpful for you guys, if it was informative. Of course, you guys know the direct link to this wig is in my description box, so please go ahead, check it out. The specifications are also listed. I want to shout out to Myfirstwig, because they're bringing a convenience for the summer. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love. Absolutely no adhesive. 10. Yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Super easy super to the point. You know, love it. Little to zero experience. Very beginner friendly. So what more could you ask for, really, right? So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.